Hey there! I'm Sarah, a 33-year-old adventure enthusiast who thrives on fun and excitement. Join me as I embark on thrilling escapades and share the joy of living life to the fullest. Let's begin! The TENWAYS Cargo 1 is an electric cargo bike featuring a Bafang M600 middle motor. The Dutch e-bike manufacturer has introduced its first cargo bike with a low-entry design. And let's talk about conquering mountains with the NVLO hub gear. It's like the bike is saying, "I'll handle the hills, you enjoy the ride." Mountains can be tackled effortlessly with the NVLO hub gear. A Gates CDX carbon belt has been chosen for the drive system. Now, the cargo box? Oh boy. It's not just a box. The bike's cargo box has a capacity of 800 liters. You could practically move your house in there. Both the seat and the handlebar are height adjustable, allowing even larger family members to use the Cargo 1 comfortably. The e-cargo bike comes equipped with puncture-resistant tires from Schwalbe and a factory-installed frame lock. Bluetooth connectivity? Check! An app that records your routes, collects fitness stats, and plays Navigator? Absolutely! You can practically turn your grocery run into a high-tech adventure. Similar to all other TENWAYS bicycles, the Cargo 1 is a smart cargo bike that can be connected to the manufacturer's app via Bluetooth. The app records routes, collects fitness statistics, and serves as a navigation tool. To navigate to the nearest supermarket, one simply enters the corresponding address in the app and starts the navigation. The screen features a large display area. The TENWAYS Cargo 1 can be used for transporting groceries and children. Potential passengers or cargo can be secured with 5 straps. If the seat and safety belts are not needed, they can be easily removed. And if you ever need to take a break from being a cargo superhero, just pop off the cargo box, remove the seat and safety belts, and voila, it's a regular bike again. The cargo box itself can be completely removed with 4 screws. Perfect for those days when you want to feel the wind in your hair without 800 liters of cargo tagging along. A rain cover is included in the delivery to ensure that the interior of the cargo bike's box remains dry. The cargo box is equipped with side lights to make the cargo bike visible at all times. Similar to cars, the lights activate automatically when the Cargo 1 is turned on. The lights can be set to stay on continuously, only at night, or automatically according to the surrounding situation. In view of the German government's plans to allow turn signals on bicycles in the future, the side lights can also be used as directional indicators. The light system on the cargo box aims to ensure that no one overlooks the cargo bike. Additionally, there's a front light in the middle at the front. To prevent the contents of the cargo box from getting wet, it can be covered with lids. A green and a black lid are included in the delivery. Cargo bikes are commonly used for transporting children to kindergarten. The front fork suspension aims to make the ride as comfortable and smooth as possible. The saddle is also equipped with suspension. The NVLO hub gear is also used in the AGO T. When riding on routes that include inclines, the pleasant impact of the NVLO technology on the riding experience becomes evident. Despite the motor and hub gear, physical effort is still required, ensuring that calories are burned during cycling. TENWAYS envisions the Cargo 1 as a family vehicle, a grocery cart, and a companion for camping trips. The cargo box is more than just storage. It's practically a mini warehouse with an 800-liter capacity. But it's not all business. Cargo bikes are the minivans of the cycling world, chauffeuring the little ones to kindergarten in style. According to the manufacturer, the design and functionality were prioritized during the planning of the Cargo 1. The TENWAYS Cargo 1 is available from the manufacturer starting today for €4,999. When ordered directly from TENWAYS, the e-cargo bike is delivered fully assembled. As I weigh the possibilities, the allure of this sustainable and active lifestyle intrigues me. The thought of gliding through the city streets with my little one comfortably nestled in the cargo area is enticing. It's not just about reducing my environmental footprint, although that's a significant factor. It's about the potential for a different kind of daily experience. The idea of trading the confines of a car for the freedom and connection to my surroundings that a cargo bike could provide is captivating. Perhaps giving up my car could be a conscious choice to live a greener, more active life that aligns with my values as a mother and an environmentally conscious individual. The cargo bike represents a possibility that sparks curiosity and resonates with the kind of lifestyle I aspire to lead. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a conscious choice to live a greener, more active life that aligns with my values as a mother and a steward of the planet. If you want to know more about the TENWAYS Cargo One, drop your questions in the comments down below. I'm your girl, Sarah. Have a great day.